Hello everyone. I hope you've seen my previous video where I had shown how can we find out the midpoint of a line segment by paper folding. In this activity, what we'll do, we will draw the angle bisector of a given angle by paper folding. So let us see what all we need to know for that. We need to know about the concept of angles and the concept of angle bisector. What is the material required? We need to have origami sheet, the pencil, ruler, protractor, stick, black sketch pen, and the scissors. So it's an easy activity. What is the procedure? The first step is draw angle AOB of any measure on an origami sheet. So I take an origami sheet and I make angle AOB on it. Now, what do I need to do? I need to draw the angle bisector of AOB. So for that, what I'll do, I'll take up the second step. I will fold this origami sheet in such a way that along this line approximately in the middle of angle AOB such that OA falls on OB. Now remember, this can easily be done if I'll take a ruler and I'll simply place it somewhere in between, right? And then I fold it along that ruler. It's going to easily, I'll be able to fold it correctly. So let us do that. I'll fold the origami sheet in such a way that arm OA of angle AOB falls on the arm OB of angle AOB. So how do I do that? I just simply fold it like this, and you can see that if I'll place a ruler, you can see this line is appearing. It's going to fall on OB such that OA and OB are coinciding. Okay, now what is the next step? While folding, we'll get a crease. So I'll unfold the sheet and darken the crease and name it as OD. So you can see here on unfolding, this kind of a crease will appear. I'm going to darken this crease and mark it as OD. Remember, that will be your pasting work. So this is going to be the pasting work, but this OD crease should be shown on the paper that you have pasted. Okay. What is the fourth step? I'm going to measure angle AOD and angle BOD using a protractor. What will I get? The observation will be that I'll find out angle AOD and BOD are going to be equal. And what if I'll measure angle AOB, I'll find out that they are going to be both half of angle AOB. So AOD will be equal to BOD will be equal to half of AOB. So what do we conclude from the activity? Through this activity, we'll see that how easily through paper folding, we can draw the angle bisector of any given angle. So I hope this activity is clear to you. You may watch the video again in case you have any doubt. Thank you so much.